No, I was watching that video. That's what happens when you microwave a We'll be microwaving some alcohol. We're definitely 21, so yeah, not illegal at all.
Oh, dude, that shit is lit with.
When you give a little kid a fire extinguisher. All right, boys. Next, we're gonna microwave some grapes. Close it. All right.
What type of grapes do Indians like?
What?
Game grapes.
What?
How have you guys been? Just peachy. Because I'm great. Who was the king of the ancient Greek kingdom, Macedon? Huh?
I don't know.
Alexander the Great.
You are a grape letdown. All right, so the grapes didn't really do anything.
What's purple and huge and swims in the ocean?
A whale?
Grails. Moby Grape.
All right, so we're gonna microwave some batteries and some light bulbs. It's gonna be interesting.
It's turning that one on, man. Dang, boy.
Hey, whoa. Oh, that was short-lived.
Blue.
Your reaction. All right, next, we're gonna be microwaving some dry ice. So as you can see, that is a piece of dry ice. We're gonna microwave it and see what happens. The other times, maybe you could give us this idea. But you're like, okay.
Like 2 days.
Hey, tell us when you're going to do it.
No, I came.
We told him.
I drove all the way out
And he
here.
did come.
I think the dry ice broke it.
Open it up real quick. What the frick? So apparently when you microwave dry ice, it breaks your microwave.
Destroys the microwave. It's hot.
Is it the microwave?
Fire!
Ah!
The big one doesn't want to fit.
Just okay, that's enough, that's enough. All right.
You ready?
Hit start, yes.
Fire!
Dude, that was... Alright, I'll do one, you do two. Just put them in. Alright, we're making a bunch of, what is this called? Dry ice bombs. Alright, close it, hit start. Get away!
Start it! Yes!
Get away! All 4 of those are filled with dry ice. This is gonna be interesting. I don't know about that one. Looks like it's still sizzling.
I can do it.
Just in case.
Alright, the next thing we're gonna microwave is some good old toothpaste. This ought to be interesting. So you think I can count 300,000 to 4, the 5 to 6 to 7? Oh, that toothpaste. Oh boy.
What helps keep your teeth together?
Dentures?
Toothpaste.
I thought I just.
My microwave just cut off. Can this stuff stop screwing up my microwaves? Oh shoot. We're running out of microwaves.
Fire!
Ah!
You went out.
The fire extinguisher came in handy. There goes microwave number 3. Okay. You want to entertain the viewers a little bit?
You did?
Keep going. You won't. You won't. Full throttle. Alright, so we blew a fire extinguisher into a balloon. We're just kind of curious what would happen if we did that. Okay, well that was... Hopefully to get the video to 10 minutes, now we're gonna microwave a toaster.
Don't shut it, don't shut it.
Jess!
Oh, Jeff, you're done, dude.
Wait, let me
Where are you going, Jim?
push it against the back.
Jim, you're screaming.
A gallon of water full of dry ice with a toaster. Yeah, I'd rather not die. All right, first we're gonna microwave a football. Yep. And top comment had 3,000 likes. It's like, leave it to MrBeast to check on his camera before his friend.
Oh, I saw that.
I got a little. Oh my god.
Snap. Microwaving a microwave, microwaving a toaster, toasting an iPhone, watching microwaving a microwave, microwaving a microwave, microwaving a toaster. Okay, so that's what happens when you microwave a football. Let's throw some of the extra dry ice at the wall. Hey, that's pretty good. Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe or great.
Door broke!
Come in the light real quick and stab Davis with the machete. That'd make good clickbait. Yes. Perfect.
Oh!
Oh!
I did not mean to do that.